The above concept is over. Let's move on to the practical stage. This section will share a quick way to get started with FineBI in 5 minutes. Before you start, to make sure you have started FineBI and have permission to upload data. In this section, we use the prepared data and the sample data. First, click on Data Preparation. Select any business package under My Self-Service Dataset, and then select Add Table to upload Excel data. Then find the contract table in the logo folder under Tutorial 01. Open the table and click OK to upload it. Our data is already licensed to FineBI. We can select Create Component directly on the top right of the table and name it Contract Data Analysis. Click OK. It will automatically jump to the component editing interface. Next, we can use the uploaded data for visualization. We would like to group by contract type to find out what the total number of purchases are under different contract types. First, drag the contract type to the horizontal axis and the purchase quantity to the vertical axis. And then click View All Data. And that a pivot table is ready. We select a column chart in the chart type for visualization. Select Column Chart icon directly. If you want to display the corresponding values on the column chart, just drag the indicator to be displayed on the graph properties. Let's drag the purchase quantity to the tag. And above, we have completed one of the simplest analyses. After that, you can go back to the dashboard and add other components. If we want to share the analysis to our colleagues, we need to find the dashboard we just created from the dashboard area and select Share via Public Link. Open the button and copy the link. Then others will be able to open it from the browser. That's the end of our process demonstration. Thank you.